Today I'm going to give you a few formats of videos which are proven to work with TikTok organic dropshipping. You can make these videos which are super controversial and super entertaining without taking away from the product. So let me show you an example of that.
Oil field nurse. Construction worker.
This video has 1 million likes. It went crazy and there's a couple of very specific reasons for this. And let me also tell you something. A video like this can also convert to sales quite well. Even though it seems a little bit sketchy with this whole moaning and the cracking sounds. In the end, if we break it down, you're gonna understand why this video actually went viral for the right reason. You have these extreme cracking sounds where everybody in the comments now is gonna debate if they're real or not. And even though the whole moaning thing is weird, it kinda still over the top shows how satisfying your product is. The back cracking and the moaning together kinda makes sense for this product and will also convert. And there's one subtlety which we probably didn't notice, which is who did it better? Instantly, you show an indicator that there's gonna be something else following up. Because if you only show the initial first clip of this one person doing it, it doesn't make sense to ask who did it better. So instantly, it's clear to the audience that something is gonna come and they're gonna wait for that to come. The other thing is obviously that who did it better is a question and is also gonna boost engagement from people answering that question. But actually, again, think about this. The product is the focus of the video. It didn't go viral for the wrong reasons. It's not some weird thing in the background or something. It's actually the specific product and the effects of the product which made this video go viral. Now, this is a super satisfying video because you show the cat being brushed and then show this crazy effect, how many hairs fell out. Also, what happened here, it went viral in the perfect niche. It went viral in this cat enthusiast niche. All right, that's amazing. This is something which is gonna boost your sales like crazy. If you go viral in a specific niche and don't have a broad product for everybody, your conversions are gonna be just so much higher for the same amount of views. Also, the background noise is clearly over-exaggerated, and something like this is fine and people are gonna comment about this cat sounding like a motorcycle or whatever, but still, the main premise is that the cat is super relaxed and it's super satisfying also to the cat and it feels great, and that's why the sound in the background is so good as well. So to conclude this again, this video is specifically there to highlight how good your product is. That's the entire point of the video, and this comes across. This is also something which is going to convert.
Because my kids can't stay out my room. TikTok made me buy it. Yes, bitches.
We the ones getting busy up in the city, that's on my baby. They block like a drive-through, ask the ops how much we slide through. Ain't beefing, but you they family. You get caught, then you gon' die too. Hold on. Stop the whip. Let me out this chopstick, gon' leave him open like a zip. Zip him up, tell buddy no master to come and pick him up. Niggas faking, acting like they thug like till we hit him up. A lot of niggas don't like it. What? I ain't even did shit. Make his bitch take dick to the head. I ain't even hit yet. How you mad she choosing me? I like what she do.
Now, with this video, a couple of very interesting things happened. Number one, it targeted a specific audience with a general product. As we discussed, it's always better to go viral in a niche than to go viral general. And what they did here, which was very smart, was that they targeted parents. They say, my kids won't stay out of my room, that's why I need this. So now it goes viral in this whole parents niche, and that is much better because of two reasons. Number one, this whole setup looked pretty complicated and kids are gonna be like, yeah, this is too much work, fuck this. But parents on the other hand are gonna think completely different about this and it actually seems like a fun project, etc. Also, the entire storyline is kind of about them building it up and making the whole thing and basically showcasing a story. So again, that's gonna be interesting to the people who are kind of interested in doing something like that. Also, if you watch this video back, you're gonna see how satisfying the song matches the entire tempo of the video. Everything lines up perfectly and this entire door opening things lines up to the beats. All right, so the main thing I want you to understand while I'm breaking all of this down is that this entire thing with going viral and converting is a very clear science. It's not luck at all. If you have these concepts down, you will be able to go viral and convert on demand, basically whenever you want to. So if you want to learn our system properly, click the link below, sign up for a call with us, and we're going to find out if everything is a good fit. If yes, we're going to start working with you, and if no, then not.